What is happening, people of the internet marketers, resellers, side hustlers, however you found this video, thank you for tuning in. My name is James Jernigan. I'm also known as the Free State Flipper. This is my channel where I talk about all things reselling, internet marketing, stuff like that. So today I have a sourcing video for you guys, a thrift store haul. I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff I got just a second. But first I want to give a shout out to all of you guys who have already subscribed. Thank you so much. I only have about 40 subscribers right now and my YouTube channel is super small. I've only been at this about a year and it's only been like 2 or 3 or 4 months since I've been taking it seriously. But I'm trying to get back in the groove and start uploading videos just like this one at least once a week if I can. You know, I have a real life just like all you guys. I'm not some crazy jet set guru. I'm just a regular guy who got tired of relying on a 9-to-5 to pay my bills. And anyways, yeah, so that's how I got into reselling and internet marketing and all that. So if that's something you're into, go ahead and click that red button down below, subscribe, and you can see all the future videos. So let's jump right into it. Well, what did I get? I went to a couple different thrift stores. Goodwill was one. If you know me, if you've been watching my channel, you know I always go to Goodwill because they have good deals there. Hey, I don't think so. Cat is upset I woke her up from her nap, so she's trying to tear up all my stuff and scratch me up in the process. But anyways, let's jump into it. Like I said, I went to Goodwill and I also went to a thrift store here in Baltimore on Eastern Avenue. I forget exactly what it's called, Bargain Outlet or Family Thrift, something like that. Anyways, it's on Eastern Avenue, go check it out. So those are the two places I got this stuff. I'm not gonna stop and differentiate what I got where, but you can find stuff just like this at your local thrift store. So let's just jump right into it. I got this stuff in no particular order. It's just all kind of piled up here after I got home from the store. So first up, we have this amazing red, white, and blue bass fishing t-shirt that was $2.98 there, so $3, and there's no stains on it or anything like that. It's in great condition, so I'm sure I'll be able to get more than $3 for that. This doesn't take a whole lot of experience, you guys. It's not rocket science. If you can shop for yourself and get a good deal, you can find things to resell. So next up, we have this amazing Billionaires Club Bitcoin t-shirt. I'm a huge fan of Bitcoin. I don't have a ton of it because like I said, I've got bills to pay and stuff, so I can't just go making risky investments, but the technology is super cool. If you're not into Bitcoin, check it out. A lot of people have made a lot of money with it, and it's becoming more and more useful for everyday stuff, so keep your eye on it. I'm not telling you to go drop a bunch of money on it, but if it's something you're not familiar with, you might want to check it out. So, super cool Bitcoin t-shirt. It's my size. And I was pretty excited about wearing it until I saw that it is brand new with the tag on it. So I think I'll be able to get a little more money by leaving the tag on it. So I guess I'm gonna have to pass on wearing that one. But anyways, moving right along here, we have a sweet Hawaiian shirt with tigers and palm trees on it. And I'll give you guys an up close shot of that. This is exactly the kind of stuff I look for in the thrift store because that's going to catch a lot of attention in a Poshmark ad or an eBay ad, especially if you do like I've recommended in other videos and turn the background white so that it really pops. That's going to help your stuff sell. So this next item is something that I ordinarily would not buy in the middle of the summer, but this is a North Face jacket fleece type of thing. And North Face is one of those brands I'm sure you guys know sells really well. And the reason I picked it up is because this was $8. Now, normally, if you were to buy this kind of stuff like in the fall or getting close to winter, even Goodwill will set you back 20 bucks for a nice North Face like this. And I checked the zippers, they work, no stains. So, you know, this might not sell for a few months, but when it does, I'm sure I'll be able to get 20, 30, 40 bucks for that. Off an $8 investment. So making more than double my money, that's what this is all about to me. And yeah, I'm hoping you guys give it a try because it's some of the easiest money I've ever made reselling clothes. It's not as scalable as other things because I can only sell as much as I have time to package and ship unless I want to hire somebody. And as much fun as I'm having with this, clothes is my passion. So that's why I'm trying to transition to digital products. But I'll tell you guys more about that in another video, or you could check out the other videos on my channel and learn more about that. Anyways, next up is another summer deal that I got for wintertime, because this was $12, and this is a super nice Columbia fleece lined hoodie. And so sure, I'll get a pretty penny for this, but my girlfriend likes it. She's gonna keep it. So it's a little tip for you resellers out there that have a significant other. Don't show them everything you get, because it cuts into your profits. I'm just kidding. I go through so much clothes from the thrift store. We keep tons of them. I recommend you do the same. This shirt that I'm wearing right now actually is Tommy Bahama and was from Goodwill, and perfectly new condition. It reminds me of the shirts that Ricky wore in Trailer Park Boys. Love that show, great show. Anyways, thought it was a pretty cool shirt, so I grabbed it. And next up, we have this. This is just kind of a funky polo. It's got this weird, like really nerdy, solid stripe across the bottom. And I just thought it was kind of unusual. So for, yeah, $3, that was a no-brainer for me. It's gonna stand out in the ads. This is a shirt that I am probably going to keep for myself, at least for a while, because it's awesome. And this represents my home city here in Baltimore. It's got the rat grabbing the police helicopter out of the sky. That is an awesome graphic. So I'm probably gonna just hang on to this one, but if I get tired of it, I'm sure it will sell well. Another banger here coming from the thrift store, once again, like all of this stuff, is this sweet wolf shirt. And to sweeten the deal, it's from Yellowstone. So Yellowstone is a sick park. I've been wanting to get out there and check it out. I have some family members that have been and told me it's awesome. I love hiking and camping in national parks like that. So really looking to get there one day. But in the meantime, I have this sweet wolf shirt, which is also my size. I gotta stop getting so much stuff in my size because I can't even wear it all. Yeah, so next up, again, in my size, awesome Disney Mickey Mouse shirt. And this has got, I don't know if you guys can see this up close, but it's got like the little drawings in the face, like kind of like showing how they draw it for the animation. So I thought that was a pretty cool shirt, and for $4, I think I can get more than $4 for that on any app. So like I said, super easy stuff. It's not rocket science. And we'll just keep moving along here. This is an LL Bean shirt that was $5, also my size. Got a nice little pattern on it here. So I'm sure this will have no problem selling in the summertime. It's short sleeves, so good to go. And once again, another item I can wear. That's another cool thing about this business, guys, is that you can wear different clothes every single day, and it saves you money. I've never spent less on clothes than since I started flipping stuff from a thrift store. And to be honest, I've never been happier with my selection of clothes because there's just something new to choose from every day, and it's pretty cool. So another shirt for $5. This is a 2X, so a little big for me. I might try and rock it though, because it's got, if you look up close, it's got palm trees in there, and I just love that kind of detail. That's the kind of stuff I look for. It's what seems to sell well for me, stuff that catches people's attention and doesn't look like every other post that you see. So this is another local themed shirt, and highly recommend you guys niching down on your market and localizing and getting items that are popular near you, because not only will they sell well, but it will help you develop a reputation and a little bit of a brand for your reselling business. So here in Maryland, you already know this if you're from here, but if you're not, here in Maryland, specifically Baltimore, crabs are super popular. Blue crabs, they come out of the Chesapeake Bay, which is right down the street. I ride my bike there all the time. But as you can see, this is a crab holding mallets, and those are what you use to crack open crabs if you're not used to eating crabs. And anyways, on the back, it's got a crab with some lady's lips that says "I'd hit that," and you know, the pun with the hammer. So awesome shirt. You're probably gonna see me rocking this one too. Moving right along, just a pretty generic Disney shirt, but this kind of name brand stuff sells really well. So don't need to give you too much details about this. This is a pretty cool find. This is a Hugo Boss shirt, and I don't know much about that brand other than it's known to be a nicer, more expensive brand, and this is new with the tags on it. And wait till you guys get a look at this. $148 is what this was going for new. A polo shirt for $148. I think I paid $7 for this at Goodwill. So $7 for something that is new, and they were at one point charging $150 after taxes. So you know what I mean? I'm sure I'm gonna get more than $7 for that. And yeah, super happy with all this stuff. I'm glad the stores are open back up, and that this hidden enemy, or whatever you want to call it, that we're not allowed to talk about here on YouTube, or they will demonetize you and put your videos in the sandbox and not suggest them to other people. So we're not going to mention it here, but you guys all know what I'm talking about. And I'm just glad that stores have opened back up and I can continue my livelihood. So make sure you guys are staying safe and wearing your mask and washing your hands, or whatever it is that you need to do to stay away from this thing. Anyways, so we got another sweet Hawaiian shirt here. It's buttoned weird, but that's okay. Kat is going for my thrift store items once again. Might have to remove her. Anyways, Hawaiian shirt with some sweet marlins on it, and fishing boats. So that's awesome, and also my size. Yes, I see, I know. You want to be in the video? Next up, Columbia shirt. I actually think I showed you guys this in the last video because I was wearing it. But in case you missed it, it's got a super cool fish pattern on it. And yeah, another great purchase. I'm gonna try and speed this up so I don't keep you guys here all day. But like I said, I wanna thank you for sticking with me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe, because that's just gonna help more people get into thrifting and reselling and stop depending on these big corporations that are manipulating people and not paying them what they're worth, and putting mom and pops out of business and all of that. So yeah, another Hawaiian shirt. This one's got a bikini girl on it, or not bikini, but you know what I'm saying, little hula girl or whatever on there, surfing, water skiing girl in the back. Pretty cool shirt. Another Hawaiian shirt. I love buying Hawaiian shirts to resell in the summertime because they sell like hotcakes, and they're super comfortable. You know, you get the airflow through there and everything. I like wearing them. So anyways, here's another one. This is pretty cool. It's like a reverse. It's got the brighter pattern on the inside, and it's kind of like they use the inside of the fabric for the outside. Pretty cool pattern on that. Also my size. So like I said, guys, get yourself some new clothes for $2 to $5 a piece, and then resell them for $30 or $40. Make yourself some money, get some fresh clothes. You know what I mean? That's why I'm so excited about this reselling thing, because not only am I making money, but it's something that's fun and something I like and something I'm happy to share with you guys, instead of just other jobs I've had where as much as I try to pretend to like it when I'm there, at the end of the day I just feel like I'm being ripped off for my time and disrespected and all that. So there's none of that with this. I wake up when I want, I go to the thrift store when I feel like it. You know what I mean? Nobody's breathing down my back and double checking behind me. And it's super easy to do a great job, because at the end of the day, it's my name and my reputation that's on the line. So it's really a no-brainer to just do what needs to be done, and I couldn't be happier with it. So this is an amazing piece that I found. It's, I don't know, it's got like this tribal southwestern pattern, dashiki type of, I honestly don't know what culture or what this is from, if it is from one or if it's just some psychedelic thing somebody made, but this is amazing. It's my size, and yeah, I'm probably gonna rock this to a party at some point. If it doesn't sell right away, which I wouldn't be surprised if it does. So getting down to the end of it here, I just have a handful of swim trunks and board shorts. These are all just, I think these were all like $3 or $4. And I just go for ones that are bright, that have patterns that I think are cool because, you know what I mean? If it stands out to me, it's probably going to stand out to people browsing through the listings. So I'll just go through these real quick. And some of these are name brands, some are not. This one is, I'm having a brain fart. Quicksilver, that's what it is. Quicksilver shorts. These are Ocean Pacific. Another bright fluorescent pattern on those. Got Hawaiian pattern on these. I believe these are also Ocean Pacific. I'm not sure, but yeah, these kind of swim trunks and board shorts sell really fast because, especially if you're on Poshmark. If you think about it, people plan trips with their friends all the time to go swimming at a lake or to go on vacation, to go to the beach, or you know, they go to the pool and then they realize at the last minute, like, oh, I don't have swim trunks, or I gained 10 pounds this year, I need new ones, or, you know, they just want a backup pair or whatever. So yeah, for $3 or $4, you can't go wrong. Even if you give them away really cheap at like 10 bucks, that's still double your money. But to be honest with you, I've been getting like 20 to 30, sometimes $40 for board shorts and swim trunks. So if you've made it this far, you rock. Thanks for sticking through the whole video. You know, in addition to liking and subscribing videos, here's a tip for you guys. If you can keep people engaged and watching your whole video, the YouTube algorithm loves that. It eats it up. So the longer of someone's video you watch, the more it's going to recommend their video to other people. So once again, if you've made it this long, you are amazing. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you can smash that thumbs down. Doesn't make a difference to me. I just like that you guys are engaging with my videos. And I hope you have an awesome day. I'll catch you on the next one.